Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today we have for you a 2004 Morbark Model 12 Blizzard chipper. So this is a self-feed drum style chipper. This chipper was owned by a township. The thing is in nice shape. It is an 04, it is non-emissions, does have the Caterpillar 3054B engine in it, and I do believe these were 86 horsepower. The auto feed works. We do have another video of this we're posting. We actually chipped some material with it here up on a mountain ground piece of project we were working on that I have. We did go over this thing. Tires are both matching. We did get through the brakes. There is one new brake assembly on. The other side was like brand new. All the lights work. We did service the engine. It does have a brand new anvil in it and brand new knives in it. For the purpose of this video today, we're just going to walk you around it, show you that all the features and aspects, and we're going to start it for you and show you everything works. We've already chipped with it for you, but we're going to start you here at the engine panel area, and you can see that the thing is not rusted up. It's actually in really nice shape in that aspect here. I need to put a little different safety pin in there, but that's what was in it. So to start the chipper, obviously you're going to hold in your oil pressure switch. Fires right up. 3469, and you can leave that one with a pile of idle time on this machine. Oil pressure, water temp. Now, what we're going to do here, open up these panels to show you inside the engine compartment. Very, very, very clean. But you can see that. You can tell that the chipper was kept inside because chippers of this era, I mean, a lot of guys are trying to find older pre-emission stuff. There again, there's no DPF on this. These chippers are usually getting pretty rusty. This chipper's not that way. We did change all the filters. Stick this back in here. Another big thing, all the side shields were on it. Everything there was complete. Generally half that stuff's all missing. We'll put this one back on. Whip cord is here. Breakaway works. Does have an expandable tongue. Jack is there and in good shape. Pulls off pintle ring, obviously. Fuel tank, hydraulic tank. We're going to show you here, there has been a weld right here at the feed table, or at the feed chute. From what I've seen on some other ones, looks to be fairly common. Feed table itself is not busted up. Right also here, we're going to show you two welds right there. Want everybody to see. Want to go ahead and pull the pin be right there, Matt. You can see that the feed wheel's in nice shape. We're going to pull the pin right here. That way you can see the drum. Here is the drum. Again, we put brand new knives in it and a brand new anvil. And we did put new bolts in. That way everything hardware-wise was new. We ordered all that from Highway Equipment. He's our Morbark dealer in Pennsylvania. Had the stuff all in stock. Shipped it right to us. We had it the very next day. That's in. So, we will take here now. I'm going to go ahead and fire it back up. I will take here and engage the clutch. I've always been taught to put them in nice and slow. Clutch is in. lock pin is here for the feed wheel. You can actually put that bar straight through and lock your feed wheel up. Engine runs excellent. There you can hear the drums pulling down. Bearings are excellent in it. It's very smooth. It's not sitting here shaking. You can see up here, there's a weld up here on this turn. Chute at one time. The housing itself for the drum, nothing there is welded or busted. That's what we can tell you. There's no oil leaks on it. Belts were in very nice shape. There is a ding right here in your bar. And go ahead and fold the feed table back up. That's all there is to it. Guys, it runs and works good. It's not a brand new chipper, but the old thing is in nice shape. From stuff that I've seen out on the market for sale, this old chipper's in pretty nice shape. So if you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please see our other video of it actually chipping. We actually illustrated that the auto feed worked. And it does. It cuts the drum or the feed wheel right out till it brings the RPM back up. Does it again, which is what it's supposed to be doing. So if you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.